Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your December love and work forecast for Taurus. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch this reading for them, friends. Also, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. If you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month, friends. Subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. So let us see, Taurus, what's happening for you. For the Hindi Urdu versions, they are already done on my other channel. I'll link it below in the timestamps. Let's see, Taurus, sorry, my bad. Taurus, what is the theme of the month for December? Nine of Cups and the Devil. Ooh, you are partying this month, Taurus. A lot of parties. Things are going good. And the Five of Wands. Oof, and the Lovers. So I see, Taurus, this is a very interesting month for you. Why? Because you do have a lot of happiness coming your way. So you may have two extremes this month, Taurus. You may feel very happy about things, or you may feel down in the dumps about the things in your life. So get ready, or Taurus. This is a kind of, you have a choice in this month to how you feel and how you can be. You have a choice. Some days you will feel very happy, very excited, and like life is going great, something will happen that will make you very happy. But at other times you will feel very obsessed about maybe a connection, maybe a person, or maybe your money issues, or you're feeling you may feel obsessed, or you may feel like you want to overwork, over enjoy life, overeat or something, over indulge yourself. So be careful, Taurus. A lot is happening, but you do have a choice. You have a choice. You can choose to balance your life. I also feel Five of Wands, there has been some conflict going on in your life, maybe in a relationship with your parents, or with a lover, or in your marriage, or at your work. People are not agreeing with you. You are fed up of that situation. You will find relief there, Taurus. You will find relief. Yes, I do feel. Yeah, see, again, this is your own energy. Page of Pentacles. This is a slow and steady month. You must work slow and steady. Why? Because you are in extremes, Taurus. You may feel half of the month very happy, and then the other half you may be like, ooh, this is the worst. So stay balanced. And also, you may try to overdo things like, over enjoy, over party, over worry also. So you have to be a little bit careful. You should be, I would suggest you to. I would suggest you to take it slow this month, because things are a little bit confusing for you, Taurus. So take it slow day by day. And yes, choices in love are there for you. Let's see your love life, Taurus. It's an important month for you because the Lovers is here. So it's a big month. The Devil is here. You're moving out of this shadow energy. So get ready. Let's see your love life, Taurus. Big choices will be happening for you. Big shifts will also happen. Your love life, Five of Cups, Three of Cups, and the High Priest. And look at that. Your cards are jumping out. Four of Cups, the World, Seven of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune. I do see, Taurus, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus yourself. Let's see. Six of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Hanged Man, love life for Taurus. The Seven of Wands, Three of Swords, Seven of Swords, Three of Swords, Justice, and the Four of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Oof. So I see you start the month like you are missing somebody, or someone is missing you very much. I do see there is a connection which is like up and down, up and down. It is confusing. It is like this person and you have a very strong emotional connection, but things just don't go well always in this connection. You are missing them, they are missing you. You may feel like this connection is over, but I do see that this connection isn't over yet, Taurus, for you. They are coming back. I see family might be an issue in this connection, or there is the issue about long distance, also, like, your family, their family, or religion, culture, or some sort of a distance is affecting. Some sort of a belief is also affecting this connection. Like, you want to do your things, they want to do their things. So it is affecting this connection and keeping you both in some distance. So you are missing each other at the start, but I do see they are going to message you, or your common friends are going to help you patch up together, or get you to mingle and meet them, this person again. So yes, good things are coming. I do see your person could be asking your common friends, like, what is happening with you. Maybe they putting you in a third party. Maybe you feel like there is a third party, Taurus. You do have that doubt, like, is there a third party? I see you getting obsessed about this person, your lover, your twin flame, your husband, wife, whoever it is. In the second week of December, friends, there is going to be a lot of things happening. I do feel, there will be important shifts happening in this connection. Your person will try not to let you go, but you will be like, no, I am not sure about this. They also want to change things in this connection. So there is a lot of back and forth energy in the second week. But I do see some communications will open and positive things will happen. Maybe you will meet them, or they will meet you. So that will bring a positive change in this connection of yours, Taurus. In the mid of the month, wow, things are finally settling down into a good way. Your person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, that person is going to message you. They are going to tell you how much they love you. You are soulmates. I feel you will have a good time in the mid of the month, and definitely you both will be feeling more ready for love and open to love. And this is like, this Nine of Cups, this happy time for you. And let's see how your end of December will be, Taurus. Oops. End of December, you're gonna feel this person has hurted you. So again, this devil energy is at work. There may be difference of opinion. You may get upset, like there is a third party, or you may have a doubt that this person is having a third party, or keeping you secret, keeping some secrets from you. Taurus, I do feel like you're stalking this person's social media. I also feel that your work or your family has become a problem. Maybe your or your person's family or work is becoming a problem. I do see at the end of December, you may feel your person is keeping some secrets. They are not giving you time. Maybe they are causing you some hurt and pain. I also feel that. You will want to balance this connection. You will ask your person for more balance, more time, more clear communications and honesty. And you might, and your person will be like, yeah, I will take my time. I know I have to give you commitment, but I'll take my time. I also feel at the end of the month, either you or your person will ask for commitment, or there are talks about marriage, settling down. This is your twin flame you are dealing with. Ooh, so end of the month, Taurus, it is fireworks, get ready. So you do have a choice all throughout the month of this, happy energies and the sadness. So yes, it is a kind of everything kind of a month where there is everything. Let's see your advice for your love life. You may become over obsessed with keeping an eye on your person. You will feel like they are cheating on you or something. Spiritual union. This is a spiritual union, Taurus. If you are trying to understand your connection through mind, it won't help you. If you are trying to understand this connection through your heart only, I think it might help you. So use your heart, your intuition. This is a spiritual union. The solutions are not logical. The solutions lie within you, Taurus, and within your person. It is time to meet your fears face to face. The crown chakra, oh my god, this is a very high vibrational connection, and you will feel very obsessed with this person, very connected. You both will feel each other's thoughts, energies, and that is why you may feel like if they are cheating, you may know it because you are very connected with them. The shadow, the devil, you are obsessed. You both are obsessed in this connection with each other. So patience and planning. So yes, you will have to be patient this December, although you may not want to, because you do see them as this spiritual, you see them as your person, so you want to rush things. But Patience is the key. And what else was there? The Eight of Pentacles, positive movement and positive movement forward. So things are moving forward. Look at that. Things are moving forward for you, but you need to give things time. Don't become so obsessed about your mind, your energy. Have some patience. Things are going to fall into place for you, Taurus. So let's see and listen to your intuition. Your intuition is very strong, and look at this. It matches the nail paint exactly the same. So it's a crown chakra nail paint. Let's see your work and career, Taurus. All right, Queen of Pentacles, you are coming into your power. Very lot of success, and the Star in reverse. You're very logical this month, Taurus. You're very logical, actually. So no wonder Star is in reverse. That is why you had the card to listen to your intuition as an advice. So yeah, this month you will face some fears. You will face, you have to come out of restrictions. Maybe you are tired of working from home. Maybe you want to change things, or maybe some restrictions or mental blocks are there affecting your work and career. But you are going to take a leap of faith, Taurus. Some new things are starting. Maybe you will travel for work or for your education, or you will take a leap of faith, and it is going to go right for you. And it is going to bring a lot of success. You are this Queen of Pentacles. You are going to get a lot of success and also a lot of recognition, Taurus, for your hard work, for your persistence, for your the wisdom you have. Be strong. You are very, very strong. The Strength card. I do see you will doubt yourself this month, Taurus, especially in your work or in starting something new or taking a risk. But don't doubt yourself. You're very strong. If anyone can do it, it is you, Taurus. So go for it. I also feel you might be a little logical, friends, this month, especially about your work. You might not listen to your intuition, your creativity. I think that needs to change. You should listen to your intuition, your creative skills. You may feel very money oriented this month, like all work. You want to focus on your work, on your money, on your coins. Even if you are a student, you want to, you are starting maybe your business or something. So you don't want to do anything creative. So you should try something creative, or maybe your creative, it's like you're not even focusing on your creativity at all, Taurus. But you should listen. Your wishes will come true. You should listen to your creative ideas. If you are a student, I see taking some risk will go in your favor, some calculated risk. I also see you will be achieving some sort of a award this month, some recognition from your teachers. I also see if you are into sports, you will be doing very good. Your health will be good. But I also see if you are a creative person, you may feel very logical and you should work harder, or you should try to remove these creative blocks. If you are a creative person, it might be slightly tough month because you are so money oriented. Let's see what else. Advice for Taurus. Discontent and boredom. Ooh, lots of advice for you, Taurus. Universe, see, the universe is conspiring for you, friends. Something is happening for you. You may not see it now, but new things are opening for you. New doors are opening, and that is what you want. Some excitement. You are bored. Maybe you are working from home. You are fed up. You want to travel. You want to get out. You want to see the world, Maybe you should try something new, otherwise you will go mad. Sorry, but Taurus, that's how I feel it. The shadow, the devil is here. Anything you can, anything, a small frustration can become a mountain of frustration for you very quickly in December. So be positive, shift it very quickly. Emotional withdrawal, Eight of Cups. I do see that even though your work life is going very nice, you are doing a lot of good work, you may feel a little bit discontent or disheartened, like you want to be somewhere else. You are not doing what you are meant to do because your creativity is a bit cut off. Your heart is not there. Love begins, Ace of Cups. I think you should, all you want is love. And I think it is time to fall in love with yourself, with wherever you are, Taurus. Seriously, it is time for that. If you think you will be happy tomorrow, I think you should be happy right now. This is something you need to question. Love begins. Fall in love with your gifts and your skills. Don't wait for something to happen and then you will be happy. Transformations, big shifts are happening. Look at that. The universe, transformations. Big shifts for you, Taurus. Big shifts for you are going to happen, so get ready. This is a powerful, powerful month for you. Let's see some extra advice, Taurus. Focus on the love. Focus on love, Taurus. That's the key for you. For Taurus, ooh, lots of cards. I think some emotional issues are affecting your work life. You have almost the entire deck of cards. Wow. April is important for some of you. Throne, position of authority is coming for you. Success is coming for you. Oh, success is coming for you. Thank you. That was a good confirmation. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. You're missing somebody, friends. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Things are changing, transforming the way you see life, the way you see your work. Wind chimes, peace and harmony will be there. Ring, commitment. A marriage will take place, either romantic or at work. Wonderful. We'll keep this here. Wine, seek out information. I do see you should keep learning something new, otherwise you will get frustrated, Taurus. An emotionally secure family is important. Some of you have this issue. You want to leave your family or go out of city, do some work somewhere else, study somewhere else, but you can't, maybe because of this world situation. It is making you impatient. Younger woman is important. Sunrise is coming for you. Scales, stay balanced. It is very important for you to keep your life in balance because you have two extreme moods this month. Very happy, very sad. January and April are important. Star, your star, guaranteed success will happen. October is important. April, January, October. Wedge, someone is coming in between you. I think you are unhappy that maybe you can't achieve your dreams because of this world situation. Money can't come in or you can't travel because of this world situation. So you're a little bit fed up there. Vultures, depression, anxiety, you have to take care of your health, Taurus. I am saying that again. Please save this reading, download it, because you are forgetting your health in the everything that's happening. So take care, stay positive, and we are with you, Magic Vans Tarot. Make sure to subscribe, like and share, and this is Mystic C saying bye for now.